Mm-hmm. Do you hear me? Hello, everyone. I hope you. Oh, great! I'm happy. So let's start from the very beginning. My name is Roman Bondar. I'm a co-founder of MetaEds platform. I'm happy to introduce our efforts during the last several months and quickly show a very good feature that will help you. Thank you very much. That will help you to manage to manage content on Decentraland. A few words about us, so you can our team won in Meta Build hackathon that was organized by many of them. I drop link on Medium, and you can check about us. We've got the second place, and got a special nomination on best technology usage. After that, we started more closely working on our project. Well, let me share my screen, and we will go through the process. Share something. I want to share a screen. I want to share a screen. Okay, it should be easy here. Entire screen, share. Okay, hopefully you see. Okay. Yeah, I see myself as well. So we so our landing site is MetaEds team. We built this site in February, so something has been changed. But the most important button here is Launch App, and here we drop to our main console that have several our console has two roles, for publisher and for advertiser. So when you work in Decentraland, you can be a guest, you can be a landowner, you can be event maker. So if you're a landowner or event maker, you are interested in monetization of your land. So you can you should show some interesting content for your guests and monetize from this. So let's check how to do this. So we go to right now we will add space. It's a common billboard to the scene of Decentraland and show some content on this. So let's move on. Go to my add spaces. Click on add space button. Here we right now we check our no code solution. We have no code solution for those who just entered the Decentraland world and don't know how to work with Node.js and to edit some scripts, and we have a low code solution. Today we check no code solution, so without any code you can manage the content on your land. So click add space. Step 1, click download. and you'll get special for your account asset pack. Here you see item 5 zip. I'm moving to builder. Here I can make a new scene. Let's cast scene. Sorry. Cast scene number 1. Next, we have land, for example, one-on-one, create. Okay. So we have a prototype of our scene. We have different asset packs, and we want to get our asset pack with our billboard here. So I'm clicking on this plus. Then I browse my computer to upload asset pack. Okay. So we see that asset pack contains only one asset. It's a common billboard. This billboard contains some special code that helps to understand how many people loads this code, this billboard, and some more features as well. So import asset. Let's rename it cast 001. Okay, cast 001. Creating asset pack. Great. Decentraland is working fine. Keep working. And we see the cast 001 here. Let's place the billboard on our scene. So we have some limitations, and these limitations are that you have to add manually coordinates of your future land, of your parcel. For example, it should be, in my case, it should be, so we have a land with these coordinates. So I'm placing these numbers. Okay, let's check what's going on without them. So I placed this billboard, nothing here. Let's check preview, and we don't see anything, but something is here. We see some words and the coordinates of your parcel. So I should return and then make the same thing that I made previously, because I was a bit fast. So we have coordinates of parcel, and we do a preview. Okay, so we see our billboard. Right now the engine connects to a MetaAds platform and got the pin that I have to remember and enter in the platform. So okay, 2497. 2497. It should be here. 2497. So step 2 is to add the pin. We are wiring our billboard in platform with your profile. Here we should add the ad spot name. Some of fields are under development, but some of them should be added. Also, we have to upload preview image. I'm making I will make a screenshot just to make this image. Okay, I have a screenshot, and let me upload the image. Okay, it could be any image you want. Okay, here we should enter the price for 1 minute of content showing. I'll enter something like 001 in near. It should be near. These numbers are under development and are not calculated as of now. We add this price just for if you sell this ad space, if you make it public, then as a publisher you will get this price for 1 minute of content shown. If you will use your own ad space, there will be the cheapest as possible price. As I remember, should be something like this. Okay, so let me save ad space pricing settings. Save. Right now, we moved to near a wallet to sign transaction, because Meta as platform uses smart contracts of that written on near blockchain to prove that that you are the owner of this ad space. So I approve this transaction. So as you can see, it's less than 1 cent of US dollar. Okay, and we see that we have cast 001 ad space. Okay, what's going on with our ad space right now? Let's check. Okay, so pin changed to default image, and right now the billboard is waiting for the content. Let's go to the advertiser side and add some creatives that will be shown on the billboard. We click on Add Creative. I will use the same screenshot that I made previously. Okay, so we uploaded it. Next, enter name cast 001, cast 001. Here we can enter, if we mark list for sale further, we will show you the feature. We'll develop the feature that this creative will be available for sale on marketplace, and this creative as this image will be like non-fungible token with the same content. Okay, let's enter something like this. Save. So approve transaction. So we added image. Image is let's check what is this. Looks like a fail. We should move to looks like link from testnet, but we currently on mainnet. Okay, let's check info. So further, this will be real numbers. But we added cast 001, and we are ready to show this image on our billboard. So I'm an advertiser. I go to my campaigns and start new campaign. And campaign name, describe it. So something like schedule today. I'm not sure that everything will be done in 1 minute. So campaign will start, for example, in 8:17 and 8:18. Budget, something like that. Not all budget will be used, so part of budget will be returned to your wallet according the price of the replaying the content and campaign sum overall. Next step, I will. So I choose creative cast 001. So we see that it is green. Next step, let me find my ad space. Ad space, cast 001 here. Okay. Save and start. We move to sign transaction. Perfect. Campaign successfully started. Okay, so we see that the status is starting. It should start at, come on, looks like incorrect. Incorrect time. Yes, correct time. Okay, I will check this. Looks like we have an issue with time zone. Let's wait. Let's wait. And 1 minute later, why it is rejected? 001. Something went wrong. I don't understand why. Let me check one more time and start new campaign. Okay, cast 001, 01, one time. Come start here. Okay. Next step. Cast. Next step. Cast. Save and start. Okay. As you can see, we have different statuses for campaigns. So expired, finished partially, rejected, starting. Yeah, we definitely have a problem with time zone. As you can see, I entered 8 p.m. and right now it's another time. So three hours before. Okay. Let's check whether we have performing. Okay. Here we see that status is performing, and we see that in our builder, the billboard also shows the image that we entered in the campaign previously. Hooray! We've done this. Finally, you can save your scene. So as you remember, here you should see that the scene is saved, and we can publish it on our land. Publish on my land. I have one land. I will not do this because we have something on this land, but you can play with our platform yourself. That's it. That the main thing, the main feature that I wanted to show you today. Several words about prerequests. You should have the MetaMask Ethereum wallet, and you should have a Near wallet. Go to Near wallet. We found that the main adoption problem is to get the Near wallet. Hopefully, you will not get any problem with the Near. It's quite simple, but this step should be done. Further, when we issue our token, utility token, we will simplify the payment option, and we think that Near wallet will not be required for working in our platform. That's it. I'm stop sharing, and I'm ready to see whether you have any question. No questions. I'm quite happy. This is our first cast, and I hope you enjoyed this as myself. Thank you very much, Carl. If you have any questions, you can you can send it to my email, and I will try to answer. Yep. As of now, I don't have anything to show you. This cast I will repeat several times. Hopefully, it will be more smoother, and more information, more features you will see. So today we saw no code solution, and maybe 2 weeks later we show you how to work with low-code solution. And for this, I will announce what should be prepared on your computer to make the same things. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Cheers. Bye bye. Sorry, how to pay? There is no near wallet. I want to pay in any crypto. Do you plan to add these features? Yes, of course. Good question. As I previously told you that we issue utility token. This token will be distributed between different blockchains. We will manually check the consumption of these tokens in different blockchains, and one of the blockchain, it will be Ethereum, and you can use your lovely MetaMask to pay for with our utility token to our address, and we will check that the payment passed successfully and provide the meta ads services. We will use bridges and oracles for these checks, for the payment checks. So yes, further you will not have to have the near world. We don't have a white label solution as of now. It requires more efforts um, mm, to pack to pack to pack. I don't know how to correctly say it in English. Our API and to provide good documentation to sell it as a white label. But we definitely want to do this. Any more good questions from my friends, co-founders? Thank you very much. Great. I love you too. Have a nice day. What meta universes are you going to visit? Ah, come on. Just wanted to skip from this question. We see you. Bye bye. We think that it will be great to integrate with Sandbox. Also, but Sandbox is not so open, and it's not so open as Decentraland. So it's not so. It will not be so easy as working with Decentraland, but for example, we know that crypto voxels, we saw crypto voxels metaverse. It will be a bit easier. We will decide maybe in two weeks what will be the next metaverse, and we'll announce on our site and in our channel. Great. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day. Bye. I'm closing the stream. Stop recording and broadcast.